California's wildfire crisis is a stark reminder of nature's fury and our vulnerability. Each year, millions of acres burn, fueled by climate change and human activity. The impact is devastating. Homes lost, ecosystems destroyed, and air quality plummeting. Firefighters battle these blazes with incredible bravery, often risking their lives. But it's not just about the flames. It's about the communities that rebuild, the families that adapt, and the innovations in fire management emerging from this chaos. As we face this crisis, we must confront our role in it and work towards sustainable solutions that protect both our environment and our lives.